myself, if you want to have it like, if you want it to be fluid until the minus 30 degrees Celsius, then I can mix one part concentrate, water.
What was that?
Go for the train.
Well, it sounds really different.
So I'll probably mix it like,
Oh,
and that's about one part concentrate and
that's what it sounded like. Interesting.
in the summer, you can like one part concentrate and 10 parts of water.
BNSF 9603
Clear side,
and 9657.
You mix in with the water fluid.
This is slow.
To make
Oh no,
to get better vision.
already.
Yeah, we're gonna mix some of that too. See how it goes. I said I figure out why your supercharger is written. Nope, not yet. So I will actually next weekend. I mean no, sorry. Next week I have an appointment with the service center
Up, it's moving backward again.
to fix that front. You know, I thought it was front drive unit, but someone found
Going in reverse.
it is actually not the drive unit. I'm not really sure if they have replaced my drive unit last time, but they told me, one of my followers told me that it's not the drive unit, it's not the front drive unit that makes this vibration. It is the front drive shaft. Someone had the drive shaft replaced, and then the vibration and the sound.
This must be switching.
So I gave service center also a message technician to look at the drive shaft.
And
So I guess it's kind of good that it's not the drive unit. So yeah.
there goes the gates.
But this is actually a common issue on the Model X, but not only the Model X, but also the Model X.